to change the hair color in CC4, first what you need to do is just double click the hair and go to the material. Then you can see there are two. The first one is the sculpt. Then what you need to change is the hair's color. So you can see the base color is here. To change the color, just need to right click, adjust the color. Then you can see a hue. But before that, you need to change the shader type to traditional or PBR. Once you already change this step, then you drag the hue, you can change the color of the hair, and it automatically will change the base color map, what we call the diffuse map. It automatically will save as a picture inside there. Once you export as FBX file, this diffuse map that already changed the color is going to export out together as inside the FBX file. You can choose the traditional as well. It doesn't matter. Just change the hue. It can be any color. Alright, what about like CC4 camera? For the CC4 camera, I'm going to show you as well. Now, for the CC4 camera, you double click the hair, you can see the hair part, it doesn't have the base color. So even if you change to the traditional or PBR, then you are unable to just change the color, but you can just use another method, that is create a diffuse map for her. What you need to do is just go to Paint in your Microsoft window, go to the Paint and just create any random color. First, just resize everything with the pixel. We don't want the aspect ratio. The horizontal and the vertical, both you just put 1024, 1024. Then, next you can just click here to apply a color. As there are more, I'm going to just use this simple color, and later you can choose the hue as well and save it. Then put it on the desktop, name this as hair color. Right, now save. Next, in CC4, you can see the hair color, it is a PNG. Drag and drop to replace the base color. At this moment, it already have the diffuse map. Right click, adjust the color. You can just make any color just by changing the hue. And also the brightness. You can change the brightness. So now it already have a base color. That means you export as FBX file, it is going to export together with the base color, and you can use it in the third-party software. So now everything ready. Okay, this is really a perfect solution for changing the hair color. Alright, that's all for today about my tutorials on how to change the hair color in Character Creator 4. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you love my videos, tutorials and sharings, if you feel all these tutorials and sharings are very helpful for your 3D modeling, 3D animations, and 3D game developing, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and also turn on the mini bell and select all, so that when next time I publish a new videos, tutorials or sharings, you receive a notification immediately. See you in my next video. Enjoy! Happy 3D modeling, 3D animations, and 3D game developing. See you!